In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Miro. Clear, precise zooming makes it easier to read notes, align objects, and present your work. So I'll walk you through the simplest ways to control it with your mouse, the zoom slider, keyboard shortcuts, and a quick method to zoom into a specific area. Start by opening your Miro board from the dashboard. Click the board you want to work on and give it a moment to load. If your canvas looks too small or too large at first, don't worry, we're about to fix that. With the mouse, the fastest way to zoom in is to hold the control key on Windows or the command key on Mac and scroll up with your mouse wheel. Each tick moves you in a bit closer. Scrolling down moves you back out. Notice that Miro zooms toward the point under your cursor, so hover your mouse over the content you want to magnify before you scroll. If you prefer an on-screen control, look to the bottom right corner for the zoom slider, click the plus button or drag the slider to the right to increase the zoom level, and watch the percentage indicator to keep track of where you are. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for consistent step-by-step zooming. Press Ctrl plus the plus key on Windows or Command plus the plus key on Mac to zoom in. To zoom back out, press Ctrl or Command plus the minus key. Tap the keys repeatedly for larger changes or hold briefly for a smooth ramp. Keyboard zoom is great on laptops when you don't have a mouse wheel handy. To zoom in on a specific area with precision, temporarily switch to the hand tool. Hold the space bar, then click and drag the canvas so the section you want is centered in your view. Keep the space bar held while you reposition, release it to return to your previous tool. Once the area is in place, zoom in using the same techniques. Control or Command with your mouse scroll or the keyboard plus key. Remember, the zoom will favor the spot under your cursor, so place it right over the content you need to inspect. That's it. Open your board, choose your preferred method, mouse, slider, or keyboard, and use the hand tool to hone in on exactly the right spot. With these simple controls, navigating any Miro board becomes fast, accurate, and stress-free.